Fold 1 taro purple pipe cleaner in half. Leave 2.5 centimeters and 1 centimeter on the ends and twist tightly. Take half a taro purple pipe cleaner. Wrap it once around the base to secure. Bend a small loop and twist to fix it. Adjust the shape into an upside-down heart. Take a new taro purple pipe cleaner. Wrap it around to fill the entire petal. Trim the tip into a point. Press the petal inward to form a curve. Curl the edges outward. Shape the whole petal into a cup. Bend 1 light periwinkle pipe cleaner at 8 centimeters. Leave 1 centimeter on the short end and twist tightly. Wrap the longer end upward once to secure. Take half a taro purple pipe cleaner. Wrap it around the lower part. Insert the center into the petal. Take 1 floral stem. Use elastic thread to secure the flower to the top. Wrap the entire stem with light green floral tape.